Ani eyano kre wapomuden hu hia enu nti na hu akohia sa wobehwe wo hu so yie wo brano ne mra mu odin ameto wo mpofrim. Now permit me to introduce you to Green Select Glucometer. Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Sa fidie kito ya etimimpo ehye wo botomi eboa ma wo hu wo sugar level abribia. Wona wo diabetes ana yare ahodo a emma wo sugar level esote wo brano no. Sa fidie be bo nka ye baby bia wo bia no wada wo so akohu doctor ntem na wo mo adura ebetimi ama blood sugar no aye pepepe. With Green Select Blood Glucose Monitoring System, you get your test results in 5 seconds. Annual 5 seconds per now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Nane boaso de, eta form. More people din hu yaw. Sa upe bako, anasa upe so tukoton. Call Costless Ventures now on 0205-915-315. Or fry a betcha we office at Ben Wagana Fine Baby na only one dija. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
And that the stories happening. Yeah, try to bit my can be no be Sunday album. But first, come Eugene Guru Jene say I can be.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm probably not Richie defending the artist.
Now quick one. Richie defense, you know, it is at the same amount. Yeah, can short.
Honestly, Brass and me, I don't mean sense deal. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to me.
Richie defense.
Yes.
Was it to or no?
To me.
So
exactly. It doesn't make sense to me because comments in our artists in a career and you move in the and if you have something to say, so who reach me? What I was expecting from Richie, I said, say you as the boss, if you have something to say right now, is to tell us why you denied Guru whatever feature with your artist. And yet, sir, the message now the band, what's the point? I said, Obiako catch Obi said, me ma o now on disrespecting Guru here. These people have said it here several times. The public too have shared that view several times. And can you be detailed information from you as the boss of Links Entertainment? Say you people shouldn't crucify my artist. Say or passes our comments on na. Say ni AC. Enti na ebia ya ma Guru feature no. Na Guru say ya ebia ene company no as a record label no crap no. And then the share na say ene nko agree. Enti ya ma na say enti na ya ma enti impact onya ne hit na onya ne way. But what that statement for the top on no. You are obia Kwame Eugene comments no eye na hia na say we creating enemy there. What share enemy ne kra ebufo ma so abre ne kro kra mbo. Enti you show me as na photo na Guru the man na it comes back to it. No na wo sa wo pick no. Enti for this all kan asem kra pa wa kan wie na wo boss aba be support you. But the ochina ebe ba le dey obi eni.
Okay, let me listen to Zola. Zola, also Richie response, you know, who is saying?
Oh, Richie response in there as a label boss and then someone who has been in the game. You can say allegations, your label allegations too. Oh no, it's a normal PR thing. It says another guy can. There's nothing extraordinary about Troy. A normal PR thing just to come out clear and then defend the artist. Uncle for him who say okay, he's been disrespectful because issue never out. I think I was discussing with Roland. So you see, it's quite unfortunate. Say can you didn't know how to stand him away because in the car when you can you didn't pay for no computer. Guru Embo Engojina baby anka say Kwame Eugene. Una also for me nyem but baby Guru can say Links Entertainment and then Richie. Mafia me in the game and share. So anytime they are Guru ekasa about in same way I think they won't intervene the crowd and then one more Kwame Eugene. The only thing now almost label allegations need to and I'll blame Links Entertainment and then Richie. I think the management of Kiddy and then Kwame Eugene. So this issue, very unfortunate that Kwame Eugene didn't have him. So if you're in a man, you say okay, he's very disrespectful. But with Richie no deba as opening a yebo would in our no, I think say ni post or can say dia Guru disrespecting them me who na Guru media rounds me who say disrespect. me who say disrespect. Ebia or can he saying his heart out. Ebia we are him say we are him and then normal. You understand? And then normal. So with Richie coming out now, but now I was expecting say if you be addressing issues, you say Guru Alebula against him, say okay, was sabotaging in their own skin, why say, and then he even if he had even gone and be like okay, managerial structure. The manager and can say Guru Mo forms not the artist can fine. But to come and be like the artist in disrespect here or say Charlie, and sometimes I might believe say most of the times artists will be handle on social media handles pages, you know. So I might believe that maybe a management member did a very bad disservice to a disservice to a Kwame Eugene by posting that thing, by responding to Guru. If you are Kwame Eugene cannot have done it in natural side, but any page in Kwame also defending. Understand?
No, but it was in an interview.
Okay, it's not also not make us say minimum. Say if an interview said
it was in an interview.
Fine. So it was in an interview, you know.
Yeah.
Could it be say the backroom conversation be a background conversation?
Conversation also in the house, like they are all not happy with Guru's actions.
Yes. So if Richie Bar have a PR concerning issue now, Guru Kana, it should have been a very good one. But this one making it look like Guru are disrespecting artists, man. Then saying is it Charlie, and as they making it look like Kwame Eugene post no here no na response no, it's a total disrespect to the Guru brand name. It's rather unfortunate.
Okay, Chamo, I want to believe you are following.
Yeah, I'm following, and the Kwame Eugene kind is unfortunate. Like anything called Kasa, but I mean, who is a baby who be answer. Senka wan kan keye ba o kan ye ne so me hard dream biasa me hu nte wa disrespect Guru e say the amanfo kan me hu ni sa on say omo no pressure wo omo so say o start bo hit song ana o feature obi nyum na e hit o feature we na e hit pressure wo so me nyini say Guru nkwa na I request for feature e wo kwa me Eugene obebre aye omun sankan de ma Guru de na koye issue ni say as a Guru wa kan che and our can be answer so nobody is responding to the organ. Okay. On the organ say na mo anyi mi say acho and they are not saying anything about it. And untina ebe nwanwa say Kwame Eugene after the all of a sudden you want to respond. And I wasn't responding so ankoye official way be as a one officer can be no I can't too. The Kwame Eugene kind obviously I dey o ma discuss wo omo camp and one year lucky na free na no aba and a free na no aba nti e hono na man here some way no say why do you like you don't even have to talk. Okay. Ba wa baba be kan dia as a afide wa ka fa asama ba nti Guru de ya say wo pa de na won sa aka ne say wo keka bibi say mu kura ne yi but don say T-Flow nso abeka say kama.
Yes.
Say
yes.
Ono wudi bia ye no nti obi di bia ye nti wo zo obi di
so any feature was we bia me.
What is T-Flow's problem proper?
The problem is that we are it is not me pe feature wo and now say ono e record Al-Qaeda and come ono you say o be release the ababenya na shine and a Guru so correct Al-Qaeda. I think that is the post over there with all those hits you still rob a brother of a simple chance to shine where the new Al-Qaeda dance wave came. You swore you never knew of my song and even claimed you created the wave. Today, they stress over collabo, shaking my head. Kama is indeed a crazy dog. So, this simply means that Tama Al-Qaeda Sane Ba and no T-Flow recorded Al-Qaeda. And I just said Guru say.
So Guru came to him for remix.
Yes,
and also or catch any management. Now time may be suitable, not in a recording remix. Only for him to realize that we really see Al-Qaeda. Yeah.
But
Indeed,
that
me,
should be a problem because there are so many Avento songs. There are so many Avento songs.
And different. The man is different. Say, Tembiano, you na wrong interpretation for some actions I cause. And you been the AC. Guru de ya or pay feature ya or more money. A bit me the mere fact say we just don't want to do it. But obey interpretation say as a intentionally no or match that plan is a guru de say a mafia no. The same interpretation it be na T-Flow and the ma guru no. Say as I share that say 1% me shine. And I could release it. But any sir, a mere action say okay, me say me person no you remix when you ready I me yam idea. And why na idea na afa. But this guy will interpret it say oh that as a what plan is say me the 1% me shine be. And why sir, and you know me point and then come dey ba be so no. Say sometimes action be here. Interpretation the manner na conclusion na you draw no be or far from that. A been a good way no. Say Richie because Richie cry oni ni asem bia sa. Even though on treating ye as a or friend na onye ne so onye hwan no. But guru ape interpretation ama sa Richie action no without Richie talking. And our mafia me and our said that and on person me course and our Richie no or no or coso or ya na idea is working for him. And in the business no was a chinchina or as or ma for. Me actually no ebia and help fine. But don't interpret it make it look like what trying to say na as a oh yeah there so bring you down. No. And yes sanity into guru one you lucky. Or on try next person maybe no refer.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Roland.
Boss, I think say Chemo Akanina. Rasabe,
Yeah.
Abrabo mo. I don't know how many guys no money sakodi bibi ba song no. Amodos. Yembe say who say aside omobi bibi ba song. How many of them and omutimi ni sakodi nya feature. Omutimi feature sakodi wo munyum so. Nkofo bi ni sakodi EP feature wa sakodi ho. Enye ne 1957 omunya da. But Joey B say or sending young man at 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Nesu be catch message.
What I say Basame Guru Mame found your example. There are so many nkofo be broni omusis who abrabo ma sisia bibia wedri. Omunu hoye. Oh, hono bia for phone afro just simply because e bia we hu TV so na wate wo radio so. Oh, Basame na on send me bibi kakra. Mi ka say mpo e bia na sa da no kan. Enkoyi.
Oh, try my mom be so.
Yes.
Now
I catch any pay say oh de tobo na mensaka mefro. Na nipa no so nim say bia oh mafia no. Me ka say no akope kro bia fight bia munya won school bi some time back bi. No de na. Oh abrantie die. Sa me sure say sa asem na egusu hye ni mu a. Or the mafia me bisa no we kra wa mami. I think that it could be the same case with Guru and Richie. One said, yes, say Richie Buffon. One said, Richie's response was needless. Richie did not come respond me or they buy one. One by because of Kwame Eugene. Or by because of Guru.
Yeah.
Richie responded to Guru and not to come and defend Kwame Eugene. Kwame Eugene there, and a very unfortunate son, no, then no better frame. Richie came purposely for Guru. Because when him said, we beside a feature. Links and to say Sack Nation and Success Musical, Sack the air label or like on one air boss no. It is a opera. Sack the bit me determine so maybe a women's management team do, but on ever recording. Or bet me I saw China next week. You understand? But with Links reaching a air boss, but he has artists out in the venue. Maybe another artist no on here already. And they say there's one media guy I know pay feature from Kiddy. We all know says Kiddy is signed to a different, like they have a connection with a different label outside. What the response the guy had was they had to even contact those people. Amma even in Concord, according to Omono, the reason why they signed Kiddy, see a feature is not Mopama Kiddy. No. They even want artists who will suit Kiddy's brand before they will even allow feature. What I say, when you requested for the feature as at that time, and maybe Omoyo Konabra. Did you have the patience to really inquire the reason why they were doing you that? Probably you didn't. But when you had the interview on maybe platforms, Wo doing say wo I said just Jamuka one kasa wa find solution and reasons for whatever they are doing to you. You understand? And in trato so way so ya. Ebi ana intention and reaching po air paramount. Maybe you wanted one of whether Kidi or Kwame Eugene on a song. Maybe he even wanted the two. But Osha we releasing them. We releasing it. It is semi pe two number unless omumi enu ye ready. And then you say na links for so your money and then we push Kwame Eugene. Or chino mu push Kidi. During lockdown, Kidi projects in Kwame here. But before lockdown, Kwame Eugene can be artist of the year. You understand? So probably they have a different timetable, a different plan. Maybe a woojina one thing, you don't know what they. I don't want to be in fact on blueprint and now more itinerary in the 12 and say yeah. Into be any abotre and now into me sure said the first jump will be a media space nimu to run say they are trying to mafia me just like they've been doing. Maybe pardon in your same part or their child. What I say on name, but the man first was a big them accusing of Adiabi or no name, and then they share rich before any young cry. You understand? And you are also a big dog. You are not somebody at sitting on one castle kind. Oh, you be a obre hit home. What I say? Oh, you be obre hit home. And as you see, Kwame Eugene has the magical tax of resurrecting people's career. And man Crawford hit. And it says in our claim, he said, oh, you don't need anybody to make it. Indeed, into Siciano, say no na open ya, and your brand in your mouth. Say no na open ya, we know you are a big brand. You don't suffer for hate. Into bra, pearl hate. Pearl hate, we move. Utimi bo wankasa hate. No problem. Just the same way, Guru, when you were on your peak. Me assure say if we open this conversation wider, we will have underground artists on the cassette that time. I will pay Guru for feature. Guru deny
and they will be tallest.
Even your friend say Tiflo crowd in one book. And then when you direct self a feature pool. He is also talking about the same mafiaism in a different way. I will industry him. What I say? It is if who mafia be not you cool, but no be mafia or the other area baby. Yeah, I think say I would tell the was we all respect him and we know he's a legend or a veteran.